Hello everyone out there, my name is Lukas Munzinger and I'm right here at the Syntegon Center of Competence for Fill Finish Primary Packaging Solutions in Crailsheim. I'm very proud and delighted to share with you some insights and details about one of our latest developments in aseptic fill finish. This is the Gloveless Isolator production work cell called microBatch. My colleague Klaus already explained the functional principle of the microBatch production work cell. We are focusing on the isolator and how the isolator contributes to reduce the risk of contamination to manufacture pharmaceutical drug products at highest quality without need of any manual manipulations. The isolator itself consists of three major parts. We have the process chamber with transfer ports for ensuring physical separation from the operator to the product. We have an air handling system with devices for conditioning of the air and to maintain requested unidirectional airflows and positive differential pressure to the surrounding cleanroom. We have a biodecontamination system to perform a 6-log biodecontamination to prepare the inside of the chamber for aseptic filling. Talking about the process chamber, the isolator doors are mechanically locked and sealed with an inflatable door seal. The door seal is monitored and a leak test is performed prior to biodecontamination. There are automatic mouse holes to allow entrance and exit of material. We have defined positions for RTP ports to feed the isolator during production with needed commodities such as stoppers and caps. The air handling is completely integrated and therefore the isolator fits into a typical 3-meter cleanroom. No additional devices are needed in the technical floor above the work cell. That means the supply air is taken from the room and exhausted back to the room with appropriate filtration levels. In order to have proper conditions of the air and its flows, ventilation fans as well as a cooling unit are integrated into the plenum. Catalytic converters in the recirculation air ducts are used to minimize the duration of the biodec cycle by aerating with 100% fresh air. Also, the biodecontamination system is completely integrated into the process chamber, respectively into the isolator plenum. We have the loading unit with liquid H2O2 as one puzzle piece attached to the chamber. By a short pipe connection, the H2O2 is pulled to the evaporators and is then injected into the isolator chamber below the HEPA filters at predefined positions. The full biodec cycle, including preparation, conditioning, biodecontamination and aeration, will be completed in less than 45 minutes. So, if you see benefits in having your operation without any human intervention in the aseptic core, in having no efforts related to equipment integration, in batch changeovers in less than 2 hours, in easy loading of materials and components, and in highest sterility assurance levels and being fully compliant with regulatory requirements, then our microBatch work cell might be the right tool for you. Does this sound interesting to you? Then feel free to get in touch with me personally, call your local Syntegon contact, or visit our website to find the right person of contact. My name is Lukas and I'm happy to talk in more detail with you about our microBatch solution. Thank you very much for listening and hope to see you soon.